foam rolling calf. So I'm going to show you two variations and you would choose what's most comfortable for you. But the whole premise is once you find any discomfort or tension when we are foam rolling, we don't keep rolling. We stop, stay on top of it, and hold that pressure and tension for about 8 to 10 seconds, and then we can move on to the next area. So I will show you a side view. From this angle, you will see I have the foam roller directly underneath my calf. The only way I can get this to work properly is I need to put as much pressure or weight between the foam roller and my muscle. So one way is have my opposite leg, my opposite knee bent, prop myself up, and from here I can roll my calf. And I can also turn my leg so I can get the outside part of the calf and the inner part of the calf. You can also work your way down to your Achilles. Here is the other variation. I have both of my legs and then I cross over. So here we go. I have much more weight or pressure on top of my muscles. So once I find, I stay on top of it and I stick for 8 to 10 seconds. That is it. Enjoy.